In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add members to your Wix website. So from the left hand side, we want to click on Add Elements. And here we will scroll all the way down until we see Community. So click on Community. And here you will be able to see the members list. So we can choose the members list from this page. So if we want to drag and drop it, it is going to automatically attach it to the section that we've selected. And it's gonna look like this. We can adjust the size and the location by dragging. And then if we want to change some things, we can go to settings and this will load up the members widget here. So we can customize it. If we want to, we can do cards or list. So you can see how it appears to the side, and we can do circle or square for the layout of the members. For the display, we can show the follow button, show followers, following, badges. And design, we can customize the color here of the text. So I'm gonna change it to red. And then here we can change this as a public page if we want everyone to be able to view it. And we can create badges, and basically that's it. That's how you add members to your Wix website. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.